Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the filters of your rigidus PowerVac 2-in-1. Okay, the filter cleaning starts with disassembling the handheld. Let's go to a flat and nice area as you like. And first, we have to remove the dust container. Press the dust container release button to remove the dust container. There it is. Now it's removed. And take the filter unit out of the dust container by holding the two fixing brackets and empty the can into waste disposal bin, of course. And of course, there is another filter you are going to replace. But this is the engine filter. We will head up to the main dust filter. And now we are disassembling it. I told you before. The filter is for cleaning the air which are going through the filter to protect the engine. I think every month or every second month you have to clean this filter, but this is easy. We will see. So there it is, the filter main area, and inside this body there is a filter unit. How we are going to disassemble this? Note: clean the filter regularly to maintain a consistently high cleaning performance. Drain the coarse filter. If necessary, the transparent casing can be removed by turning it slightly. The arrow pointing to the open lock. There it is. Yeah, now it's open. To clean the dust filter, remove the coarse and dust filters by lightly pressing the tab. Yeah, there's only one step we have to do. We have to bend it a little bit, and after we are bending, we are able to remove this plastic vacuum additional part. And then the filter is nearly free. Beat the dust filter out until the visible dirt is removed. The filter can be cleaned under running water. And you have to look, there is an upper side and a downside. Up is there where the filter case is on the upside. But this we are going to handle later. Do not use an additional cleaning agent. Ensure that the filters are completely dried before the filter unit is replaced. So let's go. My little tip is use another vacuum cleaner to clean your filter. This is easy to handle, and you do not have to clean the filter under running water. There it is, the filter cleaning machine. It's an other cleaning device. We will switch it on, and as you can see now, it's sucking all the dust out of the filter easily. And in the most time, this is enough to clean the filter. Really, take care. Because if you're doing running water through the filter, it's a long process to clean or to dry out the filter. And if you are in rush, you are going to use another cleaner for this. But in this video, I will show you both. This is the running water option. Only use running fresh water to wash out the dust out of the filter. But now take care, do not reassemble a wet filter into your handheld again. So now we have a little bit of break. Let's chill a little bit and have a dry out. For 6 until 7, 8 hours, this will be enough time. Now we are back on the scene and the filter is dry again. Now take care of the upper side of the filter. This is important. This is the upside of the filter case and this is the upper side of the filter itself. Only push it back in position. And now we have to reassemble the filter plastic vacuum tornado unit. Start at the bottom side and push it back in position. Now the filter is locked again. Yeah, now there is a plastic filter case. And this filter case we are going to lock again by the lock paintings on the side. There is an arrow and lock. Job's done. I repeat it. There is a painting and there is a triangle, and now dock it to the open lock and rotate it to the lock. Job's done. The filter is locked again. This is the top side and the upside of the filter is assembled. Now we are going to push back the filter unit into the dust compartment again. There is a window. This is the window on the filter and this is the window on the dust compartment, and this has to be matches. It's easy to reassemble it because there's no locking parts. Only push it back in position. Because of the rubber seal, it will seal again easily. Job's done. Reassembling done. 2 steps are left. First step is to get the dust container back in position. Start at the bottom side and lock it on the upper side again. Only push it back in position. Now we have to place the handheld back into the handle part again. Start with the downside, then push back in position, and job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Delicious filter cleaning. Soon. Good job, man. I'm awesome.